Hi guys, so we're just standing here in front of the KW suspension headquarters. It's our first day here at the Vehicle Dynamics and Product Training Seminar. So it's 2 days we're gonna spend, and we're just about to start our session with the guys. So really looking forward, and stay tuned for more information. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so we just finished our 2-day course here on vehicle dynamics and product training at KWHQ. It's been a fantastic time. We have lots of cool information on current and new products coming out. Stay tuned for more information on the factory tour that we did. And of course, thanks again to Oliver for a wonderful time and the team at KW for having us here. Stay tuned. We're gonna make now our journey back to McChip. 4 hours drive, lots of fun. See you next time.